Hello guys, welcome to the next tutorial of Angular on this YouTube channel Jack of JavaScript. So in this tutorial, we are going to see how the communication between the two components takes place. So basically the communication happen between the two components when there are some relationship like parent-child and sibling relationship. Even it can happen between the components of two separate modules, right? So we'll see one by one how it happens starting from the parent to child. So parent stands for your app component basically. All of other components are called in this app component. So currently we can see here we have this hello world, and that is rendered from this variable, right? So we have another component that is a header component, right? You can generate this component and it shows header works by default. So you can directly call this component within this app component using the selector that is app header, and I'll put a horizontal line between these two for separation, right? So this is what your parent, this comes from your parent, that is app component, and this is header works. This content comes from your child, that is a header component, because we are calling it here. Now if I want to pass some data to this header component, then we can directly send it using some property. Let's say like this. Let's say I want to send this hello child message to this app header component against this name variable, right? So as to catch this inside this header, we need to go into the class file, and we have to use this @input decorator. You can directly import it, right? And for this input decorator, basically this is the input whatever comes with the at the rate symbol, that is a decorator, and this input, and then round braces, and this is data is a variable that is local to this header component, right? So we have passed the message against this name variable. That's why we are catching it, because we have passed it against this name variable and it gets stored into the data variable. So in this template we can directly call the data variable, and we can receive this hello child, because we have sent it from the parent and we received it into the child component. That is possible using this @input decorator. Basically it is an input decorator, and we have taken it against this name variable that is passed from this app component, right? So this is a static message. Similarly, you can directly send some variable value, right? Let's say we have this message variable and it holds the same value, and if I want to send it instead of the static message, then I can directly replace it using this message. So in this app component, this message variable holds this hello child value, and again it goes to this app header. Inside the component we are catching it with the same name variable, and this is our local variable value, local variable name, and it will catch the same value, right? So this is how parent to child communication takes place. All right, so if you have any doubts, you can put it into the comment section. Thank you so much. Keep watching, keep learning.